Good evening. We're gonna talk to the great John tonight. There's some question that people asking about John.
Yeah.
First of all, John, why are you wearing a hoodie?
I'm wearing hoodie because I'm cold.
You in Jamaica, man. This
Yeah,
can't be
Jamaica
cold,
is very
man.
cold, man.
All right, so I have a question for you. All right,
Yeah.
first we're gonna start. How was work today?
Work was great today. I enjoyed my work
Why was work good?
because I have lots of funds.
Lots of fun. What do you mean? What? Explain to
I can
us.
tell you what I'm doing. I'm sit down and I'm spray people hand when them come inside, and then I go on my phone and watch movies until I feel like stop. I stop.
All right. So I have a question from a
Yeah.
comment on one of the videos.
Yeah,
A
man.
few person want to know why you like fat ladies. I mean, I'm not being funny.
Fatty
No
man
disrespect.
can bubble party man. Fatty man is great.
Explain what you mean.
I like fatty man with big booty with a lick it so you got flick flick flick. You just jumping up, you know?
Okay. Oh, whoa. So in another comment, right? It's a couple from Norway.
Yeah.
They want to know if it's possible for you to come and visit them, or them come visit you here.
You come and visit me here, man. Jamaica
So,
is very nice.
They are in Norway. It's cold over there, right?
Yeah, man.
So
Jamaica
so you like them to come here? and
Yeah,
come
let's
visit.
come here, man.
So would you take some time off work?
yeah. And I'll give you the jelly water to
Oxybab-
drink because I never drink water there.
So all right. So if someone come to visit you from Norway, how would you treat them?
I treat you like my own. Treat my sister them nice, and my sister love me. And my cousin, Gav. And Gav don't have no woman, so I don't get what I want to
Yeah,
buy.
he might put you to work.
What's going on in the bag? Okay, why you gonna put God business out like that?
Okay, I may look what I want to because I know I want to.
All right. So earlier, since week, I remember we were talking,
Yeah.
and you said to me that, man, God don't eat salt. He don't like sugar in his food.
Yeah.
Isn't that not healthy for someone to cut back on salt and less
Yeah,
sugar?
that's healthy for him.
So why don't you do that?
Eh?
Why don't you cut back on sugar and salt?
Because I cannot drink nothing too fresh. I like my things sweet.
You like your things sweet?
Yeah.
So you like everything sweet.
Not everything.
So do you like your woman sweet too?
Yeah, it was pretty and beautiful and having long hair. That's like a plain.
Whoa. If a woman doesn't have what? Tall hair, you don't like her?
No, I like every woman because, man have to love women,
Why man have to love woman?
Because man have the thing where we want.
What is the thing?
Eh? The vagina. I really like it warm and tender.
Boy, I wouldn't know. Got what you got? At you? Oh. So let me ask that question. Do you talk like this around your boss?
No, I cannot do that.
Why not?
I will get fired.
Why would you get fired?
Because I have to respect my boss.
Well, that's true.
Yeah.
So what about your co-workers?
Yeah, we workers with a lot of joke, but we can't go over the limit.
Over the limit?
Yeah.
Okay, so what is the limit?
You have to respect people.
You have to
Like
respect
that
people.
respect you.
Okay, so I have two more questions for you, and I'm gonna let you go because they keep on coming up on the screen, right? What if the couple from Norway actually comes, right?
Yeah.
And they come. How are you gonna get them from the airport? How are you gonna get them from the airport?
I know the airport good like on no man back. I will come and pick up you, just send a picture. But if the man, you have to leave the man and then me, you can go out and then.
Oh, whoa!
Welcome
It's
back
a
to the
couple.
bag.
It's a husband and wife. The man not leaving his wife.
What for
They're guests of yours. You can't ask a man to leave his
But
wife.
me single, so me and the wife that go while the couple place I come back with your husband after.
Whoa. How you want the man to leave his wife with you and go do stuff?
But the wife want to go tour and the man tired. You sit down and we go tour and come back.
The man ain't on fool, to leave his wife. You know what? Normally, more likely they're coming from Norway,
Yeah, but
and she's white.
But
And
possibly,
let me tell you something. No white man leave their white wife around a black man.
no, so what?
You can ask my wife that one. She can tell you.
Black man is no threat to you.
Why are you asking me?
Uh-oh. You hear my wife saying stuff now. All right. I'm sorry, baby. That wasn't for you. So, John,
Married to a white man?
I think they're going to come, right? But I'm going to talk back to them. I'm going to have a conversation with them. And if they do come, right, you got to treat them with hospitality.
Yes, man.
So that they come back again and they go back in Norway and
When
say,
you come back and get turn camel for them.
Yeah, they're gonna say, John, you treat us so good.
Yeah, but they never eat on camel.
You treat us so good.
On camel is nice. It's a national dish in Jamaica. It's an hockey.
But you know what I noticed, John? All the ladies around here love you. All the ladies around here love you. Especially the, the cougar. According to my wife. Cougar. Why? Why?
Young girl put in a trouble. They all have money, have money.
Young girl put you in
That's
trouble?
like somebody else talking right now.
What kind of trouble can young girl put you in?
What kind of trouble? Worry.
Explain, just me too.
And when they don't have no money, they don't want you.
Oh, so they just take your money and then they throw you away.
Yeah, they just throw away.
So why you let a woman do that to you? What kind of man do that?
Man have to stand up strong and fit.
So strong and fit. Whoa.
Yeah.
Whoa.
No woman government around here.
No.
Man run things now. Woman run things.
But you know what? The other day, John was coming from work and he said he gonna be here at 5 o'clock.
Yeah.
No, he leave work at 5. He be home by 5:30.
Yeah.
And we wait. 6 o'clock, no John. 6:30, no John. 7:30, no John.
Yeah.
He stagger in and say, oh, he's just coming from some lady's house and she's his friend. What man go to a lady house that's a friend and stay for 4 hours?
Good man that. Cause you ain't no man, so you have to stay there and keep her company.
So she has no man, so you keep her company.
Yeah, it's a time come to go home.
Wow. That's a good man though, man.
Yeah, good man.
Gav, would you do that, Gav?
I don't know.
He said he don't know. But John, that means, that you're a good man, man. You're
Yeah,
a honorable
good
man.
man.
But I notice you have a lady friend up the top and you have one down the bottom.
Yeah.
I'm not going to call their name.
Yeah.
And you go to their house and you spend time.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
But that's good though, man. So,
yeah, you have to visit the lady them, because they have the thing where we want.
oh, shooter.
Yeah,
shooter.
they got the thing where we want.
What? The money?
Yeah, the money and the thing there.
So hold up. You taking money from ladies?
If they
That's
get
not
taken
a good
care of,
man. That's not a good man.
So all they now want for your money. All they now want yours. Tell me how they now want yours.
Alright, John, you gotta tell these people. Make sure they like, share, and subscribe. Tell
Right.
them. Tell them.
Like, share, and subscribe.
Yeah.
Tell them why. Because John want to keep this thing growing.
Wow,
Okay?
yes, I want to keep my thing up and
Right.
running,
Running. Okay?
Right.
So I'm telling y'all can come here to Manchester and visit John
And
in
this
Jamaica.
John, right.
He cooked the good
And double
food.
that John.
Did you say John will cook the good food?
Yeah, I'm telling you. So I'm gonna put his number in the
Yeah, I cook the
description.
best meal.
But first, I'm gonna keep on reading the comments and see what goes on.
Yeah, I
Okay?
cook the best meal. You can come and get the best meal if you want it.
Who's gonna make that meal?
Me?
Who's gonna make that meal?
Me, I know I have a book down there I read. To learn to cook. The recipe book.
Oh, the
Recipe book?
Yeah.
John, a real chef don't use a recipe book. It just come from the head.
Economics book.
Just come from the head.
You have to have a chef book. How you not learn to cook if you don't have a chef book?
You just come from your head. Your sister can show you.
Oh yeah.
Or Gav can show you.
My sister is a good cooker. You know?
So John, what's your favorite dish to cook?
Oh my banana and saltfish.
Banana and butter.
Our banana and butter near me see area in a kill you.
Talk about me.
That's Jamaica, we can't talk about it.
At Jamaica, yeah, they can talk about you.
They're about patois we talking.
That's what we're talking. By the way, guys, just let y'all know this. The next video is going to be John talking about his time in Montego Bay. He was actually born and raised in Montego Bay. But
Yeah.
guess what? He
I
don't want to
know
go
what's
back
nice.
there.
Yeah, don't know
He's
what's nice.
now a Manchesterian now.
Yeah, tell
Right?
me. Yeah.
But do Manchester people want him here? I don't know.
Yeah, they love me here.
Can they love you?
Yeah, they
Okay,
love
why
me
they
like
love
a
you, John?
wow.
Baby,
Yeah.
do you love John? Is John a good person?
Yes, Nikki love
why
me.
are you
Nikki
just
said
a
I'm
good person?
So when Nikki said I'm a good person, I'm a good person. Don't you?
Alright?
Okay.
So in the comment section tomorrow, I'm going to see what everybody say.
Yeah.
I'm going to print it out and let you know all the stuff they're talking. But, so I should tell the couple from Norway that, you know what I mean, they should
Yeah,
expect
come
a
and
call
visit
from...
me, man. I will come at the airport and escort you.
Escort, you going to escort them?
Yeah, I'm gonna escort.
Wow! That's special treatment, man.
Yeah, yeah.
But the man that will leave his wife with you alone. They're going to be together.
I'm okay with that. No problem.
Bill Gates and climate
You okay with that?
change. I'm an
Alright.
star. Why and
So
Bye
now,
out for now. Big up
From now on,
Stacey,
John-
and big
John
up
gonna be
Diane, and
good.
Big up Aunt Vi, and big up Auntie Carol, and big up Auntie Velma, and big up all
that's
the
a lot of
family
people, man.
from way back, and you know everybody love you, you know, and I soon come visit you and spend the time with
I
them.
thought you said you didn't want to go to America. How are you going to visit them when you don't want to go to
They
America?
play on food and pan if you don't drop. So I don't want to go there.
You don't want to go there?
No.
Alright.
I want to stay down here, because if you jump around down here, but if you jump in the sky and jump and broke your neck and die.
John, why you talking about death so much?
That, when you come, you cannot stop it. You have to take it or leave
But
it.
man, some see that come and run, you know.
You run?
What?
Be careful,
Run
because
from it.
when they come by your foot, they will take you.
Y'all, I'm gonna be gone, y'all.
Look at me.
Y'all see y'all later. Hey, y'all don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment.
And comment.
Alright, see y'all later.
Okay, big up.